California late payment penalty. You paid your state tax late, and the franchise tax board added something that does not look like one number. That is because it is not one number. It is two. The authority is Revenue and Taxation Code Section 19,132. The first part is 5% of the tax you did not pay. That is charged once, and it is fixed at the payment due date. The second part is 0.5% of the remaining tax for each month or part of a month it stays unpaid for no more than 40 months. 40 months at 0.5% is 20%. Add the original 5, and you reach the 25% ceiling exactly. Now the part most explanations skip. California does not simply stack the late filing penalty on top of the late payment penalty. Subdivision B says the late payment penalty is not assessed when the filing penalties for the same year equal or exceed it. If the payment penalty is larger, only the excess is assessed. Federal law coordinates the two in the opposite direction. So a California notice does not read the way a federal one does. Here is why that matters to you. The filing penalty runs at 5% per month. The payment penalty runs at 0.5% per month. One is 10 times the other. The filing penalty reaches its ceiling in 5 months. The payment penalty needs more than 3 years. So file on time, even when you cannot pay. An extension gives you time to file. It never gives you time to pay. Then there is interest. 7% right now, compounded daily, and it resets twice a year. One quirk worth knowing. No interest accrues on that monthly 0.5% component. Interest does run on the rest. Now relief. California has a one-time penalty abatement under Section 19,132.5. It is once in a lifetime. Individuals only. Tax years beginning in 2022 forward. And it asks for no explanation at all, which leads to the mistake worth avoiding. If you have a genuine reasonable cause story, make that claim first. A penalty abated for reasonable cause is treated as never imposed, so your one-time relief stays available for another year. Reach for the easy request first, and you have spent something you cannot get back. None of this turns on a single rule. It depends on which years are open, what your filing history shows, and where the balance actually came from. Tax expert today.